Good evening, teacher.
Nahil, good evening. How are you?
Fine. And you?
I'm pretty good. Welcome back. I'm Nahil. I think we have to wait for your friends just to come.
Yes, sure.
Hiba is coming. That's amazing. Zainab is coming.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine.
Good,
And you?
I'm pretty good. Thank you for asking. I'm Hiba. Welcome back.
Thank you.
And Zainab, good evening.
good evening, mister.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
I think we have to wait for your friends just to come. Maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Dana is coming. That's amazing. In the meantime, I have to register your names. Okay. So this is the beginning of level 2. So guys, let me send the book again. Again, as I told you in the group, level 2, guys, is the rest of the units from 7 to 12 is a 2 or level 2. Let me send the book again because maybe some of you don't have the book. Let me send it to the group. If you can, guys, print the book just to solve using your handwriting. If you can't, you can use the book as PDF, and absolutely don't forget to write the answers down, because if you notice in the final exam, you have to revise everything we have discussed. So let me send the book again.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thanks God, because you're fine. So let me send the book. Please. Yes. So guys, I've sent the book because maybe some of you don't have the book. So again, guys, we have to complete from unit 7 at unit 12, because from unit 7 to 12 is a 2, or let me call it level 2. So let me again write your names and let's start. So we have Zainab, we have Dana, Jamila, Nahil. This is it. Okay. So let's start. Let me go down to unit 7 and let's start unit 2. Keep in mind, guys, that unit 2 is little hard. You have to be careful. You will notice, guys, that at level 2, the texts are going to be a little longer, and the grammar, again, are going to be a little harder. It's not that hard, absolutely, but you have to be careful because, again, this is A2 or this is level 2. So let's start with unit 7. I think Raed is coming. Let me write his name. Tagreed is coming. Let me write their names. So, in Unit 7, guys, we have to discuss the simple past. Next, we have to discuss the questions and negatives. Next, we have to discuss the time expressions. Then, absolutely, we have to discuss something about adverbs. And finally, special occasions. So, let's start. And please open the book with me, because maybe you have to write some answers. Now, in the beginning of Unit 7, guys, we have the good old days. I need you to note, are you okay, guys?
Sorry, Mr. Leonardo.
Yes, is everything okay?
Mr. Leonardo.
Yes, I can hear you. Tagreed, who is this?
teacher الواي فاي منه منيح
Holy God. Okay, let me check my connection.
صوتك عم بيقطش
Okay, just 1 minute to check my connection.